one I saw bigger than a monster truck. Big mover. Have you ever seen a monster truck? Monster truck or big? What even bigger than a monster truck? The duck. The duck moved over both land and water. It moved on thick wheel on land. It floats like a boat in water. Vehicle bridge. The vehicle a bridge that can move. Other vehicle can move over the bridge. The bridge can fall up onto the vehicle. Cranes lift and move things. Some cranes help people build tall buildings. Other cranes move things from ships to land. Dump trucks. The biggest dump trucks move rocks and dirt. They have some of the biggest tires in the world. Overland trains. These trains are used to move things to places with no roads. They move on big wheels instead of on train track. Moving space vehicle. These big vehicles move things that go into space. They also like that they need their own road. Giant power shovels. These vehicles dig rocks and dirt. They have a big bucket that digs up dirt and rocks. Tunnel diggers. These vehicles can dig under the ground. They can even dig through rock. Bagger. 288. The biggest vehicles in the world. It's the bagger. The bagger 288. It takes miles. The bagger 288 is almost as long as 2 football fields. Big vehicles. Big vehicles are used in many ways. Will they get even bigger someday? Bye everyone.